Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to CarsCorp. I'm your host Mark, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Velocity Ford Mustang 67. In an era of mass-produced vehicles, bespoke customization offers a refreshing alternative. Velocity Restorations, a renowned restorer of classic American vehicles, takes this concept to another level, infusing vintage icons with contemporary amenities and advanced performance. The Velocity restored 1967 Mustang Fastback Coupe exemplifies the company's philosophy. Its timeless exterior, adorned with sleek black paint and contrasting aluminum wheels, exudes classic muscle car allure. Under the hood lies Ford's thunderous 5-liter Coyote V8, producing a staggering 460 horsepower. Beyond the exterior, the interior receives a comprehensive upgrade with Bluetooth-capable radio, rear-view camera, and modernized gauges. The custom suspension, performance exhaust system, and upgraded braking provide a seamlessly controlled driving experience. The blending of original and modern elements may raise eyebrows among authenticity purists. However, Velocity's approach aims to preserve the aesthetic spirit of the classic Mustang while enhancing its functionality and performance beyond its original capabilities. Driving the Velocity Mustang requires a certain degree of adaptation, as its vintage roots collide with modern hardware. While certain gauges may require calibration, the car's analog character and responsive powertrain create a unique and engaging driving experience. Beyond its own intrinsic enjoyment, the Mustang also brings joy to others. Its iconic silhouette, bold curves, and rumbling exhaust soundtrack evoke nostalgia and admiration wherever it goes. Subscribe to CarsCorp to stay up to date on the latest news about the upcoming cars and be among the first to experience the aesthetic blend of style and performance.